Let me just say, a lot of people might sort of ask, why is the United States Secretary of State interested in what is happening here in Benoit Port and in these fishermen? And the truth is that we're very involved in this. The United States has deep interests in what is happening here and deep connections to what is happening here. There is an NGO called Fishing and Living, which is working with and cooperating with the government of Indonesia. And USAID is supporting that NGO, and UCLA is engaged in a research project with 3 universities in the region in order to do marine research and to support the Marine Research Biodiversity Center. What happens here is critical to all of us. 60 million Indonesians are depending on the ocean and fishing resources for their livelihood. And 60 million Indonesians get the large proportion of their protein from marine resources. We face the same challenge in our fisheries in America. In New England particularly, we saw our cod industry greatly hurt in the last years as the stocks collapsed. And many fishermen have lost their livelihood, lost their jobs. Here we have an enormous number of people who depend on the ocean for their subsistence. And the truth is that these stocks also are now threatened. What is involved here is a sustainable fisheries initiative where the government of Indonesia, represented by Mr. Chiching, the Marine Affairs and Fisheries Minister, and Mr. Utama, who represents this fishing effort here, they are engaged in an effort to conduct a sustainable fishery in order that this fishery can be here for the future, for the next generation and the next generation. But that is threatened. It's threatened by the amount of demand for fish. It's threatened by the lack of controls over fishing. And so they're working very hard to understand what's happening to the stocks. Just as in New England or in the Pacific, in the state of Washington or California, where we have fishermen we need scientific information to be able to make the best fishing judgments. And so everywhere we need more research. And that's exactly what we're supporting here. It's an effort to maintain a sustainable fishery. Most of the fish caught here in this operation work for and are part of an American company. Unova company in Tampa Bay in Florida is the company that they're working for. They deliver the fish to, and these fish then come to Outback Steakhouse, to Whole Foods, to Walmart. So everybody in America has a connection to what is happening here. And that's why I wanted to come over here to congratulate them for what they're doing and to learn a little more about it. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. No, it's my honor. Do you want to say anything, Mr. Utama? You're very knowledgeable about this. Do you want to?
Yeah, so for me, I think basically that it is important. I mean, 90% of all the fishing fleets is small scale. And like you mentioned, 60 million of my friends, the 60 Indonesian people, is also really relying on this fisheries. So it is really important. And Anova Fishing and Living, I know about this and trying to find out what is the really important of causing this. Yeah. And so in order to sustain the fisheries, we must also sustain the livelihood of the fishermen. And that's also important for us. So, but thank you so much.
That's my privilege. Thank you for letting me say this.
Yes,
no worries. Thank you. Thank you, Minister. Nice to see you. Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. So you guys are with USAID. Thank you. Thank you.